Nigga said, I'm like, man. Why you bring up church when you always high?
Man, that is. I don't know, man. I don't know. Nah, hell no. I don't bring up church all the time.
Does he bring up church when high?
I say.
Hell yeah.
I say 25% of the time. 25% of the time, maybe.
Let me tell you why I don't go to church, y'all. I ain't about to tell. No, I fucked up. I'm high as fuck, bro.
Hey man, no. You don't go to church. You don't go to church because the church takes his money and you don't like it.
See, that was some hard ass shit right there. I don't know how that nigga was just in my head, but that nigga answered my question. There you go.
See?
Hi.
Hey, you want to suck on this? Yo, fish is on TV.